Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use dual messenger in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and here click on Advanced Features. And here scroll down and click on dual messenger. Now to use dual messenger, turn on this button and then click on install. Now here click on confirm and after that turn on this button. Now it will take few seconds and after that you can use dual messenger. So that's how you can use dual messenger in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.